Alright guys, this is a 42-inch ceiling fan that I got at my thrift store. And it was $6. I got it for parts really, and didn't have the blades. Those aren't original, they're just ones that I had from before. And I put them up there, and the fan's 42 inches. It even has 42 on the model number, so I know that's true. And that's the size blades that are on it. I don't know the brand. On the DT Vintage Fan forums, and they said it's probably, or possibly, K-Mart. But I don't know. Because it's not branded anywhere on the fan. Anyway, it runs pretty much how you think it would. Wobbles a lot. And that's well, not probably, that is due to these shitty blades that I have on it. They're MDF with little flimsy brackets. Probably not unlike the blades that came with this fan originally, though. But yeah, it wobbles pretty badly, and I'll show it. This is for parts, actually. But I just figured I'd wire it up and show it running before I took the parts out of it that I need. And that would be the capacitors and pull chain switch for my Encon Art Deco ceiling fan. I'm gonna put them in there. I'll keep this around though, and later if I decide I want it to run again, I can always get new parts for it, or you know, whatever. Anyway, I'll show it running now. It runs like shit, you'll see. Here it is. In my house in Willis, I have a Hampton Bay grating, and it runs pretty much like how that one just did. Cheap fans, what you gonna do? Anyway, like I said, this fan's for parts. Once I remove those parts, it will no longer function. I can always put those parts back in later if I decide I want it to function or whatever. But I figured I'd show it to you. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention is the light. I don't know if it works or not. The chain's missing. The little hole for it is still there. A little screw-on thing, but I guess someone yanked it too hard. So I didn't even bother trying it. But anyway. Here you go. And I know you're all super jealous of this fan. You wish you had it, because it's just so great. But anyway, there you go.